One of my pet hates about being in the health industry is sometimes we don't get the fun products, right? Since I started becoming a functional nutritionist, I have been looking for a teeth whitening solution for myself and for my clients. Whenever I go downtown, I see all these chemical ones. I see clients wanting white teeth. And while I know that it begins from the inside with our nutrition and our diet, it is also nice to be able to do something each day from externally as well. So I was so excited when I found Trina's product from Primal Life Organics, and I realized now we have a natural solution to being able to whiten our teeth. But not only is it whitening our teeth, we're getting a whole bunch of other health benefits while we're at it. This is such a simple solution. It goes into your mouth each night. You can do it while you're doing other things, but you're getting all sorts of other benefits at the same time. The gels are really helping your gums as well. We all know that disease begins in our mouths, right? So this is a life-changing product, and I'm so grateful for Trina for everything that she's done to bring this to the market for my clients, myself, and everyone else. So thank you so much.